Everybody, welcome to my new update video. Here is given that a fourth root equation such that fourth root x plus root over fourth root of 97 minus x is equal to 5. We have find out the value of x. Let's go start. Let's go start. Let fourth root of x is equal to a, or here fourth root, so we can let a is equal to fourth root of x and b is equal to fourth root 97 minus x. If we power is 4, then we can write a to the power 4 is equal to x and b to the power 4 is equal to 97 minus x. Okay, adding this equation, we can write a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 and plus x and minus x is cancelled, so we can write a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 is equal to 97. Okay, putting the value of fourth root of x and fourth root of 97 minus x, from this equation we can write a plus b is equal to 5. We can write here a plus b all square and is equal to 5 square. Okay, we can use the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 5 square means 25. Okay, then we transform to AB from left side to right side, so we can write the next step is equal to 25 minus 2AB. Okay, again scaling this equation, we can write square, here is square. We use the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, so if we use 2 and 2 is equal to 4, a to the power 4 and b to the power 4 plus 2a square and b square is equal to, here we can write 25 square is equal to 6 to 5 and 25 into 2 is equal to 50. 50 into 2 is equal to 100 AB plus here is 4a square and b square. Okay, then we can write here as a to the power 4 and b to the power 4 is equal to 97. So we use this here 97 plus equal to 625 minus 100 AB, 2a square b square transform left side to right side and 4a square minus b square, we can write plus 2a square and b square. Okay, so we can write the next step 2a square b square minus 100ab plus 6 to 5 minus 97 is equal to 0. Then we can write 2a square b square minus 100 AB. Subtract 97 from 625. We can write 15 minus 7 is equal to 8, and 1 and 9 and 1 is equal to 10. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2, and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, is equal to 0. We can common to a plus a square b square minus 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50 ab plus divided 528 by 2 is equal to 4, is equal to 4, and 4 and 6 and 2 is equal to 0, and divided by both sides by 2. We can write a b whole square minus 50 ab plus 264 is equal to 0. Okay, here we let AB is equal to EU. Okay, then we can write EU square minus 50 EU plus 264 is equal to, and is 44 and 6 into 44 into 6 is equal to 264, and adding this is equal to 50. Okay, and here is minus, so we can write here is 44 EU minus 6 EU plus 264 is equal to 0. Okay, EU minus 44 minus 6 EU minus 44 is equal to 0. Okay, this common, so we can write EU minus 44 and to 0. Okay friends, then we can write U minus 44 is equal to 0, and U minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, then we can write the next step. Can write AB is equal to 44, and also AB is equal to, applying this is equal to, we can root 4 x into 97 minus x, fourth root is equal to 44. Okay, here is x fourth root and 97 minus x is equal to 44. Okay, 4 of both sides we can write 4, here is 4, so fourth and fourth root is cancelled. 97x minus x square is equal to 44 per 4. Then we can write, rearranging this equation, minus 97x is 44 or 4 is equal to 0. Check, this del is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 97 all square minus 4 into a into 1 and 44 part is 4, so it is so no real root, so it is cancelled. Again we can write here is 4th root and 97 minus x. 4th root is equal to 6. Then we can write 4th root of x into 97 minus x is equal to 6. We part the both sides. 4 is, we can write 97 minus x is equal to 6 power 4. So here we can write the next step. 97x minus x square is equal to 64. Rearranging this equation, we can write 2 square minus 97x plus 6 to the power 4 is equal to 0. Now we can write 6 power 4 is equal to 6 square, and 6 square is equal to 36 into 36. It can 9 into 4 and 9 into 4. So 9 and 9 and 4 and 4 is 81 is 16. Okay, 81 and 16 adding, here we get 97. So we can write here x square minus 97x plus 81 into 16 is equal to 0. Okay, now we can write x square minus 81x minus 16x plus 81 into 16 is equal to 0. Then here is common is x minus 81 minus 16 x minus 81 is equal to 0. Here x minus 81 is common, so x minus 81 and x minus 16 is equal to 0. Here x minus 81 is 0 and x minus 16 is 0. So here x is equal to 81 and x is equal to 16. Okay, x is equal to 81. This is the final value of this equation. Now check. Root 4th of x plus root 4th of 97 minus x is equal to 5. If x is equal to 16, then 4th root 16 plus 4th root 97 minus 16 is equal to 5. Okay, here is to the power 4 is equal to 16, so 4th root and 4 is cancelled. Here is 97 minus 16 is equal to 81. 3 to the power 81 is equal 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. So 4 and 4th root is cancelled. 3 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So it is the solution of this equation. Again, if we use 81, then 81 to the power 4th root plus 97 minus 81 is equal to 5. Here is 4 and here is 2 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 16 and x is equal to 81. Okay, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and bell button. Okay, thank you.